Welcome to EDU Aero Classroom. In this tutorial, we will learn about polynomials. First, we will see the polynomials in one variable. Now, polynomials in one variable. You all familiar with such type of equations that ax square plus bx plus c. Here, a is constant and x is variable. The values of constants remain the same throughout a particular situation. That is, the value of constant do not change in a given problem, but the value of variable can keep changing. Consider a algebraic expression here, x cube plus x square minus 4x plus 7. This algebraic expression has only the whole numbers as the exponents of the variable. Such type of expression is called the polynomial in one variable. It is a polynomial in one variable, that is x. Similarly, 3y square plus 5y is also a polynomial in one variable, that is y. In this expression, 3y square and 5y are called the terms of the polynomial. Similarly, the polynomial 3y square plus 5y plus 7 has three terms, that is 3y square, 5y and 7 are the three terms of this polynomial expression, that is a polynomial in one variable of y. So this expression has three terms, 3y square, 5y and 7. Each term of a polynomial has a coefficient. For example, the expression minus 3x square plus 4x square plus 7x minus 2 has four terms, that are minus x cube plus 4x square, 7x and minus 2. So the coefficients of these terms are, the coefficient of minus x cube is minus 1, the coefficient of 4x square is 4, the coefficient of 7x is 7 and minus 2 is the coefficient of x to the power 0. Now let's take another example. Find the coefficient of x in the following expression, that is x square minus x plus 7. So the coefficient of x in this expression is minus 1. So minus 1 is the coefficient of this expression. Minus 1 is the coefficient of x in this expression. Now, do you know that 2 is also a polynomial? 3, 4, minus 7 are all polynomials. They are called constant polynomials. Now, what will you call 0? It is a constant polynomial, but it is called 0 polynomial. It is called 0 polynomial. Now, do you know an important thing about polynomials? That the exponent of each term, that is, or you can say that the power of each term, for example, the power of x is minus 3, the exponent of 4x is 2, here the power of x is 1, or here the power of x we can write is 0. So we can observe here that 3, 2, 1, 0 are our whole numbers. So we conclude here a polynomial expression has the exponents of its term in whole numbers. So it is called a polynomial in one variable. A polynomial can't have its exponents in any other any other type of number. For example, you cannot write x to the power 2.5. That is wrong. The exponent should be a whole number from 0 to infinity. But the exponent or the power of x should be a whole number. For example, root x plus 3. Here, what is the exponent of x? We can write this expression as x to the power 1 by 2 and x to the power 1 by 2 plus 3. We can see here the exponent of x is 1 by 2, but 1 by 2 is not a whole number. So we can say that root x plus 3 is not a polynomial. Because we discussed earlier that the exponent of any term of the polynomial expression should be a whole number, but here the exponent of x is not a whole number. That is 1 by 2 is not a whole number. So root x plus 3 is not a polynomial. Now check whether the following expressions are polynomial or not. Now first check this expression x plus 1 by x is a polynomial or not. To find out, we can write this expression like x plus x to the power minus 1. Here minus 1 is the exponent of x, but minus 1 is not a whole number. So, but to be a polynomial, the exponent of x should be a whole number. So we can say that x plus 1 by x is not a polynomial. Now check for cube root of y plus y square is a polynomial or not. We can write this expression as y to the power 1 by 3 plus y square. Here the exponent of the first term is not a whole number. So we can write here 1 by 3 does not belongs to whole number. So cube root of y plus y square is not a polynomial.